inspection, and pre-ignition checklist. Today, on Pellet Tech Talk. After the stove is successfully installed, it is recommended to perform a post-installation check to ensure that everything is working properly before igniting it for the first time. This typically only takes about 10 minutes or less. The hopper should be free of all foreign objects before filling it with fuel. While filling the hopper, ensure that no plastic from the bags, or any other debris, falls into the hopper. When closing the hopper fill lid, take care to ensure the lid fully closes and engages the hopper lid switch. Pull the burn pot out of the cradle and inspect the igniter. The tip of the igniter should be centered in the tube and sit recessed between 1/4 to 1/2 inch back. Now, reseat the burn pot, ensuring that it sits flush on the cradle, with no gapping. Shut and latch the front door, ensuring a good seal. It is usually a good idea to open the side panels and do a quick inspection of the internal components. Start with the main fans and verify that they did not get seized up during shipping. Flick the outer combustion fan, as well as the lower convection blower fan. They should both spin around freely, like a skate wheel. If there is any resistance in the fans, debris or foreign material may be the root cause. You can usually correct this issue without much hassle. Check out our convection blower fan and combustion fan videos for more information. Links will be in the description. Now visually inspect that all of the wiring and connections look and feel secure. Check the air damper at the base of the intake pipe. The slide gate should be about halfway open, or flush with the stove body. Now it's time to power the stove on. Plug the power cable into the main power switch assembly block at the back of the stove, and flip the power switch to the on position. You can now test and prime the auger system. Pressing the combination function button once will cause the red indicator light to come on. Now press the enter button. A message will display on the screen, saying feeding on. After less than a minute, pellets should be dropping into the burn pot. Once pellets start to feed, press the right exit button to stop the feeding. A feeding off message will display. Now press the combination function button again to turn the red indicator light off. Now that the auger is primed, select the function mode you wish to operate in. This stove can operate in one of 3 main modes: manual, temp, and weekly. You can press the mode select button to cycle through the modes. The current mode is displayed at the top left corner of the screen. In manual mode, you can adjust and set the heating power level to control the heat output of the stove, using the up and down arrows. 1 bar is low, while 5 bars is high. In temperature mode, you can set a desired temperature, and the stove will automatically adjust the heating power level to try to maintain it. The desired temperature can be adjusted by pressing the up and down arrows. The weekly mode allows you to control and schedule the stove's operation during set times and days throughout the week. After the operational mode is selected, press the on button to start the stove's ignite cycle. When the stove turns on, igniting will appear on the screen. Once the fire is lit, and the stove achieves operating temperature, the box on the screen will read heating, and the room blower fan will engage. And that's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching. Until next time, on Pellet Tech Talk.